Can recharging an aerosol can at home change its spray performance or product quality? Recharging affects performance mainly through pressure, propellant compatibility, and hardware integrity. If you restore the correct internal pressure and the valve stem and gasket are undamaged, the original spray pattern and droplet size distribution will generally return. Use a pressure gauge or a trusted cartridge to match the original pressure specification rather than guessing by feel, because both underpressurization and overpressurization change atomization and range. Match the propellant chemistry when possible, because using a heavier or lighter liquefied gas can alter viscosity interactions and evaporation rates, and that will change drying, tack, and coverage. Always inspect the dip tube and valve stem for clogs, corrosion, or deformation, and replace those parts when you can, because a damaged stem will leak or produce an uneven fan. When recharging work in short bursts, adding small measured amounts and checking spray on scrap material between fills to avoid overshooting the desired pressure. Shake the can thoroughly after charging to re-establish uniform distribution of propellant and product before each use. Common mistakes include overfilling the can, which raises peak pressure and can push droplets into a mist that drifts or creates splatter. The fix is to add small amounts and verify pressure with a gauge or test sprays on scrap until the pattern matches the original. A second issue is using an incompatible propellant that alters evaporation and film formation, causing runs or poor adhesion. Resolve this by selecting a propellant with similar vapor pressure and solvency characteristics, or avoid recharging if the match is uncertain. A third concern is failing to check or replace a damaged valve stem or clogged nozzle, which leads to spurting, irregular fan shape, or plugging. Clean with appropriate solvent, replace the stem if you can, and always test fire before finishing the job. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and gives contractors a way to find jobs related to projects like spray painting and restoration. We host a discussion community where we and other users share real-world tips about topics such as safe recharging practices and troubleshooting spray quality.